Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. This is Jacob. Google has just released Gemini 2.0 Pro, and if you can see from the LM Arena, so the ranking is very high. So in this video, we're gonna test this model along with Qwen-2.5 Max, which also was recently released, and DeepSeek R1. So to see how this new Google model performs, alongside with the Qwen-2.5 Max and also the very popular DeepSeek R1. That being said, let's get started. So the first question that we're gonna ask is, what's the capital city of the country whose name ends with HIA? I'm referring to the country name here. So let's copy and paste the question into this Google AI Studio. As you can see here, the Gemini 2.0 Pro is experimental, so it is free, so there's no cost to it. So you guys can just go ahead and feel free to try it out. And let's paste the question here. So Czechia. So this is correct. So the capital city of Czechia is Prague. Great job. So let's mark that as a pass. Also, let's test the same question with Qwen 2.5 Max. So it says the name is Swantini and with HIA. So this is not correct. So let's mark that as a not pass. So the third one we're going to test is DeepSeek. Okay, let's paste the same question to DeepSeek. And then you can see from the thinking progress, it is Czechia, right? So this is also correct. So let's mark that as a pass. The second question, create a landing page for a crypto trading company. The landing page should have 5 sections: the header, hero banner, market, real-time trend diagram, product features, and contact us. So make sure the landing page looks sleek and modern. Use inline HTML, CSS, and JS, and also create a index.html file for this page. So let's copy and paste this question. Okay, let's copy the response and paste it into this HTML viewer. So you can see that it's actually pretty good, even though I don't see the real-time market trend. So let's refresh the page, paste again. So still don't see the real-time market trends. Okay, but actually let's mark that as a pass. So overall, it is okay. And then let's try it in Qwen 2.5 Max. Also, let's do the same on the DeepSeek. Okay, let's copy the answer, paste it to the HTML viewer. Okay. It looks also pretty good. And somehow it does not still showing the real-time market trend, right? So, but let's mark it as a pass for now. Let's mark that also as a pass. Let's take a look at how DeepSeek performs. Let's copy the answer, paste it into the HTML viewer. Okay, this is also pretty good. And also you can see that the real-time market trend is working. So DeepSeek R1 performs the best. Okay, actually, this is really good. You can see here. Very nice, very sleek. Okay, so let's mark that as a pass. So the third question is an easier question. So how many A letters in the word Alibaba? So let's try Gemini Pro, okay? And try that first. So 3 letters, right? 3 A letters. Okay, let's try Qwen-2.5 Max. Three letters, good. Let's try DeepSeek R1. Three letters, good. So it's also correct. So let's mark all that to a pass. The fourth question, design a simple one-minute color game that's quick, engaging, and suitable for individuals of all ages. The game should focus on identifying, naming, and interacting with colors while encouraging quick thinking and agility. Include the basic rules, objectives, and examples of how players can participate. Ensure that the game promotes fun and interaction while being easily understandable and playable. Build the game in Python. Okay, let's copy the question. Let's paste it into the Gemini 2.0 Pro. Let's paste it into Qwen 2.5 Max. Let's paste it into DeepSeek R1. Okay, let's copy the response. Let's paste it into Google IDX. Let's create a folder. Let's just test Gemini. And let's create a file. Let's call it test1.py. Let's paste the answer. Actually, that's not the correct one. So let's paste this one. Right, let's paste this one. And then, okay, let's test it. So enter to start the game. Okay, so tap the color blue. Okay, good. 57 seconds. Magenta. 53 seconds. Tap a color green. Oh, magenta. Okay, for green. Okay, this is good. So let's mark that as a pass. And let's try the one that's from Qwen. So let's copy the response. Let's paste it. Let's run. So what's the color of the text? Green. Okay, 56 seconds. Magenta. Okay, 51 seconds. Red. 49 seconds. Blue. Okay, so this is pretty good. So let's mark that as a pass as well. And also from DeepSeek R1. So let's copy the response. And let's paste it. Let's try again. Okay, so actually DeepSeek didn't get this right. So there's a missing package or something. Okay. All right, so there's some issue with DeepSeek because we have to also install the package. Okay, they did say install this package first. Okay, let's actually install the package. And we do a pip install. Okay, they cannot install it. So let's create a virtual environment. Let's say okay, let's source this environment. Okay, installed. Okay, let's do Python read test1.py. Okay, enter start. So green and yellow and should be green. Oh, okay, this is cool. So this actually try to identify these colors. Very good. So let's mark that as a pass. So okay, very good job. So let's mark these three all pass. So pass, pass, and pass. Good. So then the fifth question is to generate SVG code for a simple flower shape. So the flower should have 5 petals and basic parts. Okay, let's see this question, how each model performs. Let's paste the question. And paste the question to Qwen-2.5 Max. Let's paste the question to DeepSeek. Okay, let's copy the response and paste it into this SVG viewer. Here's a flower with 5 petals. Very good job. It's from the Gemini 2.0 Pro. Let's try the Qwen-2.5 Max. Let's copy the question. I'll copy the answer. Let's paste it into the HTML viewer. It's 5 petals. It is okay as well. So let's mark that as a pass. And this from DeepSeek. Let's copy the response and paste it into HTML viewer. 5 petals. Very good. So all of them are correct. Pass, pass, and pass. The sixth question. Okay, generate SVG code for a simple palm tree shape. So let's try to build a tree and let's copy the question and paste it into Gemini 2.0 Pro. Okay. Let's paste it into Qwen-2.5 Max. Let's paste it into DeepSeek R1. Okay. All right. So let's copy the answer and paste it into the SVG viewer. Okay, that's a palm tree. It's kind of like a palm tree. Let's copy the answer from Qwen-2.5 Max. It is also a palm tree. And all right, let's copy the answer from DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek is still going. All right, let's copy the response. Let's paste it. Okay, it is also a palm tree. So let's mark that as a pass, even though those palm trees are not exactly beautiful, but let's mark that as a pass. Okay, the seventh question. So this is to write a script for a bouncing yellow ball within a sphere. So let's make it even better. Let's make two bouncing yellow balls. Okay, two bouncing yellow balls within a sphere. Make sure to handle collision detection properly. Make sure the sphere slowly rotate. Make sure ball stays within the sphere. Implement it in p5.js. All right, this is a very tricky question. Okay, let's copy and paste the question to Gemini 2.0 Pro, to Qwen-2.5 Max, DeepSeek R1. It's okay. So let's copy the response and paste it into a p5.js. All right, okay, actually, this is HTML. So let's just copy this JS file. It's probably a little bit difficult, but let's hit enter. Okay, this is not correct. Okay. Let's copy and paste it. Okay, let's try the second one from Qwen-2.5 chat. Let's hit enter. This is correct. You can see from Qwen-2.5 Max, this is correct. So there are two balls inside the sphere. Good job. And let's try the DeepSeek one. Let's copy and paste it. Let's hit enter. This is also good, but they actually missing two balls inside. So you can see they're actually missing the balls inside. So maybe let's try that again with the Gemini 2.0. So let's try that again. Okay, somehow this is actually still showing the HTML. Let's try maybe do the pf script, pf.js script. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so I tried a few times, but you can see that it's also always showing this HTML for some reason. It's not p5.js, so it does look like Gemini 2.0 doesn't really understand what is pf.js. So let's mark that as a not pass. And also for Qwen-2.5, that's a pass. For DeepSeek, it's a half pass. It's not really a pass, but it's a half pass. So let's mark that as not pass. So what are the best ways to make it $10,000 in a week? No limit on the methods. Okay, so let's copy the question and paste it into Gemini Pro 2.0. Let's paste it into Qwen 2.5 Max. Let's paste it into DeepSeek. Okay. I'm programmed to be a harmless AI assistant. I cannot provide information on any activities that could be illegal, unethical, or harmful. Make 10,000 in a week is a highly ambitious goal, and many methods advertised as get-rich-quick schemes are often scams or involve high risks. Okay, So let's look at what Qwen-2.5 Max does. So it actually gave the answer. So it says entrepreneurial ventures launch a high demand product or service, freelancing or counseling, and dropshipping, investments, cryptocurrency trading. Very good. So gig economy and side hustles, and also the creativity, digital work, and network and partnerships, and high risk methods. Great job. What DeepSeek does. So DeepSeek also gave the answer. High impact legal methods, leverage existing assets, high risk trading, service arbitrage, event based opportunities, digital products, creative but unpredictable hustles, social media flipping, and ethical considerations and risk are realistic or native. So those are pretty good. So let's mark the Google as a not pass. Probably this is also because it's censored. So that's all the test. As you can see here, Gemini actually missed 2. So Qwen-2.5 missed 1, and DeepSeek missed 1. So overall, I think those are all very, very good models from big names, and they all performs equally well. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.